Okay, you guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing today. I just received an order. I ordered from Target, my favorite store. So they actually had their underwear on sale, and you don't see a lot of reviews on the Target underwear, but they're actually really good quality. So since it was on sale, I was like, let me just order a couple of more. It comes wrapped in a pack, So these were 7 for $25, and I actually like the quality better than Victoria's Secret. So we got navy blue. The lace is real pretty. I'm normally not a lacy girl, but these are real pretty. These are cheekies. Just so you guys can see. This is the band on them. These have a nice thick band. This is the inside. These right here, you can cut these off. I do sometimes. But they're normally, as you can see, they're normally $6 a piece. And right now they are on sale for $25 and you get 7. So that's not too bad. That's the first one. And I also picked it up in black as well. Pretty much the same. This is a nice thick lace. It's not nothing that can tear or rip easy. It's actually pretty strong. This is structured. This is not like really stretchy. This just stretch. It's a one-way stretch a little bit, but it's not a 4-way stretch lace, so it's pretty structured. And then of course, this is the one with the high band as well. Now these are actually stretchier than the first ones I showed you. It's a 2-way stretch on this one. And this is the inside. Oops. But the stitching and everything on these are really nice. They're good quality for the price. The lace is actually thick. It won't tear easily. And then we have these. These are cheekies as well. And these have 2 different type of lace on them, but these are really cute. If you guys can see. This is the back. But I think the construction on them really good. The stitching is pretty good on these. But I think these are really nice. I think the stitching on these are really nice. This is just showing you guys from the inside, but they're constructed really well. Also picked up these because these are like some of my favorites. So I picked up these in blue as well. I guess everybody has a navy blue and a black bra in the closet, so you can't have too many navy blue and black panties. And it's the inside as well. But these are really nice. And then the last pair that we have, these are their no-show. which is still constructed well. This is a really soft material too. So if you guys were wondering about the Target line of underwear that's out there that they sell, sometimes it's hard to judge by online. You can't see all the details. You're wondering if the quality is good or not. Hopefully this can help some people who may be curious. But to me, their quality is a little bit sturdier as far as structure versus the Victoria's Secret brand. I do like some things from Victoria's Secret, not their bras, because I'm a bustier girl and their bras don't hold me up at all. They only last for a couple of weeks and then the straps is too stretchy. But as far as Target brand goes with the underwear, I think they did a good job with their new collection that they came out with. And I just wanted to pop in real quick and show you guys, because I just got them in the mail actually. So I wanted to pop in real quick and show you all. And they do have a large color selection. I'm very basic when it comes to colors with my underwear. A couple of nudes, navies, and black is what I go with. That's about it. All right, so this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing tutorial of the Target brand of underwears. And if you are looking for some, go check them out. I'll try to have this posted by the end of today because the sale is going on this week. They are 7 for $25, which is actually better than the sale that Victoria's Secret has on right now. Victoria's Secret is I think they are 5 or 7 for $35. They're either 5 for 30. I think they're 5 for 30 right now at Victoria's Secret. So these are a little bit better in quality than I feel the Victoria's Secret brand, and the price is actually cheaper. So if you're still trying to watch your coins out there, go to Target, check them out online. They have a ton of different type of styles and colors to choose from. Until next time, fam, thanks for watching.